Zendarina. Starts nice.
We don't have brakes, but we have an e-brake. So.
All right. We're gonna move this, get it on the lift, and bleed the brakes. There you go. It's moving under its own power. Yay! 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 I'll put it over here. We gotta move a car, and then we will put this on the lift. That's because we're using the parking brake. The baby is under its own power. Yay!